as from the science field, we are always interested in some molecules like nanomaterials or C16. So now we will try to draw the structure of C16. There is a scheme which is provided with the template window. Uh, Click on template window, draw, search for fullerene. Okay, so this is the scheme already provided for C16 and C17. So by using this scheme, we will try to draw the fullerene structure. So let us see how to go with that. First, take the cyclopentane and add on each carbon-carbon single bond a six-membered ring. So take six-membered ring, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So one five-membered ring surrounded by the five six-membered rings. So now connect or this remove this gap by using a select move tool, and drag this carbon or CH2 group over the other CH2 groups. Same is applicable to each ring. Just drag it and leave at the other CH2 group. So now this structure becomes one five-membered ring and again five six-membered rings. And on each six-membered ring, again add a six-membered ring. Okay. So at again uh, attach or combine these two CH2 CH2 group for each ring. For that purpose, select carbon and attach one ring to another ring. One ring to another ring, and this is one ring to another. Okay. So in this way, this is partial structure is now ready. So again, six-membered ring. Again, add a five-membered ring over there. So select five-membered ring, attach here, 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 and here. So again, combine these two by using carbon. So from this point to this point, this point to this point, and this point to this point. Okay. So we are almost at the end. Again, add one methyl group on each five-membered ring. Then attach one carbon to another. Again, one carbon to another. So now this structure is almost ready. So go for select and move. Select a complete structure and go for a clean structure. Remember a clean structure. So see, now we are ready with the C60 or our Fullerene structure. For 3D rotation, go for 3D rotation. Select a complete structure. Yeah. Select for 3D rotation. Now see how this compound rotate. You can use the second select and move. So now this is rotate, or you can take the option of 3 rotation. So 3 rotation, selection and 3 rotation provide you complete rotation. So in this way, you can generate C60 or C70 or C20 or other structures. So there is a mechanism available with the ChemSketch software. Next, for organic chemist, always it is essential to write down the reaction conditions or reaction parameters like number of moles or yield or density So there is always a one table is required. So this provision is also available in this softwares. So suppose take an example of acylation reaction. Take benzene ring, we'll make it toluene. We got plus sign. And next one is our acyl chloride CH3COCl. It is available with here. See search where it is, or you can draw CH3 carbon CH3COCl. CH3COCl. Here chlorine, go for carbonate. Okay. So toluene with acyl chloride. Let us go for arrow. Single arrow is sufficient. So put the arrow here and let us go for the product. Again select benzene ring, methyl group. Suppose it is ortho directing. So I will put here and go for. So now the structure is ready. Bonds are not even. Go for selection, select all structures and go for clean. So now the conditions are fine. Our structure is fine. Let us put some reaction conditions over there. So go for reaction arrow labeling. There is one option available, reaction arrow labeling. Select it and click on this icon. Suppose this reaction is under 100 degrees Celsius. So degree Celsius is there. So you can use the level of heat and you can use the catalyst also. So write down AlCl3. If you want to increase the size, there is option available. Decrease is also available. Click on OK. So now reaction condition is 100 degrees Celsius, heat, and AlCl3 is the catalyst for this particular condition. So next job is take the reaction calculator. So select this and again click on the reaction. So now we are reactant 1 formula C7H8O, formula weight is 92, 2 C2H3Cl 78.49 and product is C9H10O, formula weight is 134.17. Suppose number n for number of moles. Suppose it is 1.1 mole or 1.2 mole. Second one is 1 mole. So total is 2.2 mole. Total is 2.2 mole. And in that case, suppose we are getting only a zero point 0.8 mole as a product. So C mass is 110.57 gram because it is 1.2 mole. 1 mole is equal to 92. So obviously it will calculate the mass. So on that basis, if the zero point 0.8 mole is my product, so obviously I'm getting only the mass 107.30. So yield of the product is on the basis of this calculation, it is only 80%. We can also add the density also. Suppose the density is 1.1, 1.2. For second it is 1.0, and for this particular it is a 0.9. Okay, so by using all this, so now all the character C for the concentration and K is there some constant. So click on OK. So all these details are now generated. So it is very easy job because if you go with the traditional method, it's very difficult to calculate the formula weight and go for the field, and it will take a time. So it's very easy. So how to convert or how to use that particular data in our presentation? Go for edit, select all, again go for edit, copy, and use a Word file or any other file and click just paste. Okay, so all the data is now available here. Same is applicable to PPT. Suppose later on you observe that something is wrong with this particular structure or some values is wrong. So what is the solution for that? It's very easy. Again, double click on the structure. So ultimately we will get the original file. So from here you can change anything and again use that particular structure. So by using reaction calculator or reaction arrow, you can find out the all yield or all the other related things. Next, this SCAMKey software is also useful for drawing a coordination compounds or coordination bonds. We'll take a very simple example. Take benzene. Now we will try to rotate it. If you are not interested in it, it is also fine. But I will try to rotate it. Second option and go for its rotation. Then attach any metal ion like lithium. Take an example of lithium. So I will try to attach a ligands having 9-membered ring. So go for the option of third, that is a draw chains. Select this draw chains and see that before that draw chains and select a carbon, because earlier we had taken lithium. So 9-member. So 9-members are ready. Suppose my ligand containing oxygen. Select again draw normal. Put here oxygen, here again oxygen, and here is also oxygen. And I'm interested in putting a coordination bond or select any particular those bonds you require. Select this one and then put it. So in this way, you can draw the coordination compound. Again, select it and go for a film stretch. So ultimately, you are getting a coordination compound. So another famous example of coordination compound is EDTA or metal with EDTA. So let us try to draw a structure of metal with EDTA. Let's start with smaller units. So let us start with carbon and ethylene group, ethylene diamine tetraacetic. So I'm starting from ethylene. Put here nitrogen, then ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, tetraacetic. So 4 groups. Same as here. Draw the structure. So this is a partial structure. Then convert this into ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. So convert carbonate into H. And here is carbonate into H. And here carbonyl into H. Partial structure is ready. Let us take example of calcium or zinc. It is zinc, and then try to attach the with bonds. Suppose I am taking simple bond, nitrogen to zinc. So in this way, we are able to draw several other structures. Several other structures.